not advertiser friendly. Not advertiser friendly. I censored the cuss words in that video. I censored them. You saw it. There was only like 2 cuss words and we censored them. Junior was afraid of cotton balls. YouTube. What is going on? I censored it. I censored it. There's videos I don't censor that still have ads on them. And YouTube, what? What? What, YouTube? What do you want from me? Huh? Is that what you want, YouTube? Not advertiser friendly. Is it friendly enough? Friendly enough. Oh, kid stuff. Oh, happiness and sunshine and oh, here we go. Here we go. Let's talk about something fun. Let's talk about cheese balls. Yeah, that's advertiser friendly. Cheese balls. Yeah.